Hi guys, what's up? Welcome once again. I'm here with another video, and in this video I'm going to discuss about else if statement and switch statement. I'm combining these two topics in the same video because both of them are used for multi-branching. Although there is a bit of difference, I'll show you the difference later in this video. Before going to the definition, syntax and demonstration part, as I always do, I'll start with an example so you understand how and when to use else if and switch statements. However, I'll recommend you to go through the video of if else statement. That will help you understand this concept better. I've given the link below in the description. Let's say you have a parking lot where you categorized spaces for different types of cars. You allocated parking 1 for SUV, parking 2 for sedan, parking 3 for van or minivan, and parking 4 for other cars. When a car enters into the parking lot, you first check the car type. If a sedan car enters, you assign it to parking 2. If it is a van, you assign it to parking 3. If it is a SUV, you assign it to parking 1. Now we'll see how this scenario fits into the program. You allocated parking 1, parking 2, parking 3, and parking 4. Let's see how these parking spaces have to be allocated for different types of cars. If we feed it into else if statement, then it looks like if car type is SUV, then parking space 1, else if car type is sedan, then parking space 2, else if car type is van, then parking space 3, else parking space 4. That is, there is no more conditions left. So else part defines that all other cars will go to parking space 4. This is how else if statement works. Now we'll see an alternative representation of the scenario using switch statement. So what is switch statement? Consider an electric switchboard with a number of switches, and they can be on and off when required. A switch statement works exactly the same way an electric switchboard does. The exception is that it executes one switch case at a time. Now we'll find out how many switch cases are available in the example. Case 1, SUV. Case 2, sedan. Case 3, van. These are the specific switch cases. So when a car enters into the parking lot, using switch case, you check the car type. If the car type matches with SUV, you send it to parking 1. If it matches with sedan, you send it to parking 2. If the car type is van, then parking space 3 will be allocated. When none of these cases are satisfied, then a default statement will be executed, that is, default allocate parking lot 4. Now we'll see the syntax of both the statements. First, the syntax of else if statement, starting with the base condition, that is, if condition 1, statement 1. Then else if condition 2, statement 2, else if condition 3, statement 3. When none of these conditions are satisfied, it will go to the else part, that is, else statement n. Now see the syntax of switch statement. Switch expression, and then the value of expression will be tested with number of cases. Case 1, statement 1, then break. If the expression value matches with case 1, then break will terminate the execution right here. Similarly, case 2, statement 2, and then break, and so on. When no cases are matched with the expression value, then a default statement executes. So far, both the statements look similar, and probably you are thinking that they serve the purpose similarly. But there is a bit of difference. In else if statement, you can use data of any type to check conditions. That is, it supports all types of data. But in switch statement, you can use either integer or character type as an expression to test with the cases. Now, we'll move on to the execution part. First, we'll run the program written using else if statement. You'll get the source code of the program in my blog post. Please find the link in the description below. So I have already demonstrated the concept earlier. Let's compile and run the program. Number 1 SUV, number 2 sedan, number 3 van, and number 4 other cars. Enter your choice. I'm entering 3. I'm pressing enter. Send to parking space 3. So guys, you have just seen the execution of the program using else if statement. Now we'll move on to see the execution using switch case. Here is the program written using switch case. Let's compile and run the program. Number 1 SUV, number 2 sedan, number 3 van, and number 4 other cars. Enter car type. I'm entering 2. Go to parking 2. Okay guys, that's it for today. I hope this video was helpful for you. Let me know if you have any question or comments below in the comment section. Also, if there is any specific topic you would like me to discuss in a future video, please let me know. Please like and subscribe to my channel to get updated. Happy coding.